Welcome to the Creator Space tutorial on how to install the Affinity software. So Affinity is similar to Adobe in the Creative Suite, and it has software that's called Affinity Photo, Designer, and Publisher. So I'm going to show you how to get to the website and how we can actually install it, and you can do a 30-day free trial before you purchase it. So let's have a look. So the website is affinity.serif.com, and it will automatically send you over to the English GB Great Britain site, and that's the point of sale store, so you'll actually be getting it from Great Britain if you choose to purchase it. And then you can click on the top here, so it gives you a whole first overview, graphic software redefined, and Affinity Publisher. And what you'll see right away is that the pricing is quite reasonable. So it's $70 Canadian to own it in perpetuity, so one-time purchase fee for each of these software pieces. And they also have iPad versions for photo and for designer for only $28. So quite an affordable piece of software, all perpetuity licenses. So if we click on photo, it will give us an overview of what's available, tech specs, and it will show us what's in the the iPad version if we need, and then the overall tech specs you can click on, right? So what different computers will be required to have operating systems and RAM minimums, and it's pretty reasonable. iPads compatibility. Just check the tech specs tab, and then you can see, ensure that your computer will work with this. So then once you're ready, you can go to Buy Now, and here it will show Affinity Photo, and it will give you the option to purchase it, or you can click on free trials. So if you want to try it out for 30 days, and you can try some of our tutorials and workshops as well with the software, you can go onto the free trial. So I'll show you, we'll just go onto the free trial. And then from there, you can put in your email address, put in, get my download link. So you just need to put your email address. And again, here, Windows, Mac OS, you choose which one, put in your email address, and then you're ready to go. So that will take you through each software. So you can do the same for Designer. And again, same thing. If you click on Buy Now, you get the free trials. And then also there is Publisher. So if you click on Buy Now, right? And then you have to buy that one. There's no free trial in Publisher. Okay, so those are the three pieces of software. And again, at $70, it's a lot more affordable than potentially paying $70 a month. So it's a great piece of software. We're going to have more and more workshops on this, and it's the photo is similar to Adobe Photoshop, Designer is similar to Illustrator, and Publisher is like InDesign. So that's it. Hope you enjoy trying this software out. And again, tbmcs.ca is our YouTube channel. You can go to tbmcreatorspace.com to see more workshops, and hopefully you can sign up for some of our interactive webinars and e-learning and more workshops on all this fun, exciting software.